The front motor disabled, okay to drive warning in your Tesla indicates a problem with the front electric motor or its associated components, like the inverter or bearings. While the car is still drivable using the rear motor, it limits AWD performance and caps acceleration typically to 70 to 80% of normal. This is a safety feature, preventing further damage. The car effectively reverts to rear-wheel drive AWD mode, which may reduce speed and range by 15 to 25%. Several factors can trigger the front motor warning in Tesla vehicles. Let's examine the most common causes. Hardware wear is a primary cause, particularly bearing failures from heat and vibration. This issue is more common in warmer climates where thermal stress accelerates component degradation. Software glitches involve calibration errors in the vehicle's electronic control unit. The ECU may misinterpret normal sensor data as indicating a motor fault, triggering the warning unnecessarily. Power electronics issues occur when components like inverters become overloaded from rapid charging or high current demands. This causes thermal shutdowns as a safety measure to prevent damage. Regardless of the cause, identifying the exact root issue requires professional diagnostics to determine whether it's hardware, software, or electronics related. Before scheduling service for the front motor warning, start with ensuring your Tesla's software is up to date. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that include diagnostic improvements and fixes for known issues. Next, try a simple reset of the vehicle's systems. This can be done through the car's touchscreen by navigating to the service menu or via the Tesla mobile app. A reset often resolves temporary glitches that may trigger the warning. If the front motor warning persists after these troubleshooting steps, it's time to contact Tesla Service for professional diagnostics and repair. Tesla service centers use specialized diagnostic software called Tesla Toolbox 3 to perform comprehensive checks on the vehicle's systems. This software examines motor windings for electrical faults, tests inverters for power conversion efficiency, and validates all sensors for accurate data reporting. During diagnostics, technicians focus on the motor's three-phase stator windings, represented by the red, blue, and yellow connections in the schematic. These windings are tested for electrical continuity, insulation integrity, and phase balance to identify any faults that could cause the front motor warning. Repairs at Tesla service centers range from simple software recalibration to address calibration errors, to complete component replacement when hardware faults are detected. In severe cases involving sand ingress or extreme wear, a full motor rebuild may be necessary. Typical costs for repairs include around $1,200 for inverter replacement, which handles power conversion issues. Full motor rebuilds, often required for severe damage like sand contamination, can cost up to $3,500 depending on parts and labor. Tesla has streamlined their repair protocols to prioritize quick diagnosis and efficient fixes. Technicians first inspect inverters and motors, then proceed with appropriate repairs. The company offers extended warranties covering this issue for models manufactured through 2023. Tesla is increasingly focusing on software-centric fixes for the front motor disabled warning. Recent updates incorporate AI-driven diagnostics that integrate real-time data from vehicle sensors to reduce the need for repairs. These diagnostics run checks on motor windings, inverters, and sensors through over-the-air updates, with versions like 2024.45.5 reducing false positives by integrating sensor data analysis. Tesla's app is evolving to provide predictive maintenance, using machine learning from fleet data to alert owners to potential issues before the warning appears. This preemptive approach aims to prevent 70% of warnings by 2030. While not a guaranteed solution, software updates resolve a significant portion of these warnings, up to 85% according to Tesla engineers. Hardware issues still require service, but this software-first approach reduces repair needs overall. The 2025 recall affected Model 3 and Model Y vehicles from 2018 to 2021, with Tesla recalling 50,000 units worldwide for front motor bearing replacements. This resolved 80% of reported cases without requiring full disassembly, as the bearings were the primary issue causing the warning. Many owners experienced resolution after these targeted replacements or software patches. Online forums like Reddit and Tesla Motors Club share success stories where remote diagnostics played a key role. For instance, a Canadian Model S owner documented using Tesla's remote diagnostics to pinpoint a bearing fault, then had it replaced at a service center. This resolved the warning permanently, allowing safe operation before and after the repair. Extreme use cases illustrate environmental factors. An Australian off-road enthusiast reported the front motor warning in a Model X after prolonged dune driving, where sand ingress into the motor housing caused damage. Repair involved a full motor rebuild costing $3,500, but post-repair, there were no recurrences, emphasizing the importance of protective maintenance in harsh conditions. Tesla engineers estimate that 85% of front motor warnings are software-related and can be fixed through over-the-air updates rather than requiring hardware repairs. Automotive analysts have observed that the occurrence rates vary significantly by climate, with hot regions like Texas experiencing up to 15% of pre-2022 Teslas affected, compared to just 5% in milder climates. Tesla's service data from 2025 shows over 200,000 global incidents of this warning, with 60% resolved through software updates alone, avoiding costly hardware repairs. Experts strongly advise against DIY fixes due to warranty risks and the complexity of Tesla's electric motor system, which can lead to further damage if not handled by certified technicians. Tesla is developing modular motor designs for future vehicles, making repairs and replacements significantly easier and more cost-effective. This approach allows individual components to be swapped out without disassembling the entire motor. Predictive analytics through the Tesla app are expected to preempt a significant portion of front motor warnings. By analyzing vehicle data in real time, the system can alert owners to potential problems before they cause the vehicle to enter reduced performance mode. As electric vehicle technology continues to mature, hardware obsolescence could become a concern for older Tesla models. Components designed years ago may face compatibility issues or wear out faster than expected. To address this, Tesla is likely to extend support and provide updated solutions for legacy vehicles. Continued innovation in thermal management systems and overall motor design will be essential for maintaining all-wheel drive reliability. Improved cooling and heat dissipation will help prevent the front motor issues that can occur under high-stress conditions.